Hello, it's been so a long time. Good afternoon, everyone. So it's fantastic to be here again with our partner from Honor for another exciting launch, and our continued collaboration has been incredibly productive and it's been rewarding to witness Honor impressive growth on Shopee. In fact, their official store on Shopee Mall saw a remarkable fourfold growth in 2024 compared to the previous year. Of all the launches we partnered on in all brands, today is particularly special as Honor unveils its newest phone, the Honor X9C Smart 5G. I'm thrilled to announce that we will be exclusively available on Shopee Mall in the Philippines. That's right, Shopee Mall only, not available in any platform or any physical stores. And of course, in true Shopee fashion, we're offering our users extra exciting deals on this new Honor X9C Smart 5G at upcoming 3/3 sale. From its SRP of 30,999, the Honor X9C will be only be 11,999 during the 3/3 And because it's on Shopee Mall, you can be sure what arrives at your doorstep is 100% authentic. Dahil sigurado ka sa Shopee Mall. By now, though, you should already know that the savings don't stop there, so use a mega discount voucher upon checkout, and you can snag the Honor X9C Smart 5G for an unbelievable 10,799. And that's not all, you guys. If you check out on Q3, you can also enjoy flexible payment option with 0% interest via Shopee Pay later. But wait, there's more. Get a free Honor Camping Light speaker as a free gift only this 3/3. So if you think it's time for a phone upgrade, the 3/3 Super Brand Marathon is the perfect time to check out the Honor X9C Smart 5G. To our friends in Honor, maraming salamat for sharing another milestone with us. Thank you for having us here and have a great day.